VPN proxy, how to set up a proxy with NordVPN. Setting up a proxy with NordVPN depends on what you're trying to achieve. If you're looking to configure a SOCKS 5 proxy, NordVPN provides detailed instructions for different applications like BitTorrent and QBitTorrent. You can also check out their general proxy setup guide. Below is how you can set up Norton SOCKS 5 proxy with BitTorrent. 1. Open BitTorrent and go to Options Preferences, or press Ctrl+P. 2. Navigate to the Connection section. 3. Under Proxy Server, select SOCKS 5 from the Type drop-down. 4. In the Proxy field, enter the address of a NordVPN proxy server. Some options include amsterdam.nl.socks.nordhold.net, atlanta.us.socks.nordhold.net, losangeles.us.socks.nordhold.net, newyork.us.socks.nordhold.net. 5. Set the port to 1080. 6. Enable the following checkboxes: authentication, use proxy for hostname lookups, use proxy for peer-to-peer connections, disable all local DNS lookups, disable features that leak identifying information, disable connections unsupported by the proxy. 7. Enter your NordVPN service username and password, found in your Nord account dashboard. 8. Click Apply and OK to save changes. 9. To verify the setup, visit appleak.net. Scroll to Torrent Address Detection, and activate the test. Once done, your BitTorrent traffic should be routed securely through Norton's proxy.